Welcome to SolaXCloud, a platform that leads the future of intelligent energy management. Today, we are excited to present the all-new version of SolaXCloud software, bringing revolutionary changes to your experience. The SolaXCloud version 6 features a comprehensive interface upgrade with a refreshed and intuitive information dashboard, offering users an enhanced experience. SolaXCloud offers tailored pages and promotional content for installers, users, and distributors, catering to the specific needs of each role. SolaXCloud offers detailed and easy-to-understand network configuration guides, along with precise error notifications in case of configuration failures, ensuring a smooth setup for users. SolaXCloud version 6 offers clear and concise Bluetooth configuration guides, enabling fast and efficient Bluetooth network setup. SolaXCloud standardizes the format of revenue data descriptions, ensuring a clearer and more intuitive display. This provides users with easily understandable financial information and enhances the overall data interpretation experience. Upgrade now to discover more exciting features and embrace a new era of intelligent energy management. Thank you for your support of SolaXCloud. We will continue to innovate and strive to provide you with the best service experience.